Welcome to another video. In this video we are going to check on what community says as users, experts and analysts of the coin. So right away we are going to check on what Pi News said on their X account, that you can compare the prices of the top 5 cryptos in the world, their launching prices. And this is a post I can read. Ever wondered where your favorite cryptocurrencies started? Check out the jaw-dropping launch prices of the top 5 coins. Bitcoin at just 0.003 and Pi at 2.1. Which one's growth surprised you the most? Let's talk. You can check the Pi network 2025 February was launched at 2.1. Bitcoin 2009 January was 00 cents. Ethereum was 7 cents. Ripple was 00 cents. Then Solana 5 cents. Right. Can now go to check some today's metrics, that the volume for the last 24 hours was 92.7 million, whereby the circulating supply is 7.24 billion, and then the price is right here at 0.77 with market cap of 5.6, and we are number 26. Pi is on number 26 on global ranking on coin market cap. So we are going to check on what some people are saying. Right here we can start with Imamasaklis. She said, "Hello pioneers. Pi Network was presented at historic event Consensus 2025, taking the center stage of AI projects. Nicholas Kokalis, the visionary behind Pi Network, is the man who created the future of cryptocurrency. To celebrate this, you've joined the meme project. Nicholas, you can become part of this movement and benefit not only from Pi Network, but only from the meme projects." Nicholas. Project contract is here. So that is one guy who is commenting positively. Can go to the other one. This is Crypto Henry. As Pi started migrating people's coins, someone should give me news. And here is the image shared. And verified balance is 130. It is 1,301. That is unverified. Transferable is 5. Migrated is 1,009 Pi. So I also still have this question. Why do Pi keep so many unverified coins on unverified balance, even if that person did not invite anyone? For those who invited many people, we could say Pi is waiting for those guys to pass their KYC. But for people who did not invite guys, who have no invites, they still have a very huge unverified balance, and they passed KYC. Small amounts have just moved to their wallet, and transferable balance, you can see there is a very small fraction of what actually is unverified. So we are still looking for answers to these questions. Okay, we can move to the other guy. Here we have a very difficult name. You can read for yourself. He says this: "When I say Paco team is a scam, so many of you call me names. Now tell me why they intentionally delaying migration for months now. They know their market is coming when they will dump on us all. Millions of pioneers, including myself, are stuck on this migration stage. So this guy is asking why step number 9 has not been completed, and this is a automatic queue. PyCo team puts you here so that you may wait for next migration. So it is upon the core team to finish on this step. The guy has done everything right up to mainly checklist in number 8. So he's wondering what's the hell it is. Okay, can move to another fella on Pi. Here we have Cryptoly247. He says 2 major updates just dropped for investors, users, and developers. Here's the breakdown to keep you in the loop. Pi Network latest moves. Enhanced user management. New feature aimed to boost interaction, making Pi mining smoother and more rewarding. Developer support. Expanded tools for devs and build on Pi blockchain, driving innovation. Market impact. Pi's price has been volatile with a recent 7% drop post consensus 2025 due to no mainnet launch or audit clarity. Kraken's listing of Pi perpetual future signals growing exchange interest. My take. This is his opinion. Pi network updates are promising, but lack of an open mainnet and transparency raises red flags. The 100 million fund is a bold move, but trust hinges on delivering a clear roadmap. Investors tread cautiously and do your own research. Volatility is high and fundamentals need strengthening. Stay sharp, crypto fans. Follow me for daily crypto insights, empowering you to stay informed and ahead. So, put this image of Pi network. So, we move to another fella. What they actually think of Pi network. We have Crypto Beast Talk. Crypto Beast Talk. He says 12 million Pi tokens dumped. Pi network is facing serious allegations of potential 8 billion scam following claims that over 12 million Pi were dumped in insiders for PiCo team, according to crypto researcher Atlas. See, you can read that. Those are 11 hours ago. Then we go to another guy. Here he says Pi trades at 78 cents following Kraken futures launch, but technical indicators show bearish momentum persists as the token remains 27% below $1 target. Full story below. Yes, you can now know what that full story entails on. We have Pi Army. Pi Army here is saying Pi Wallet, our future bank account with our name KYC when Uber Eats will take it down, will take its domain. You will be able to order your mail with your wallet Pi. No need for a card and bank fee. The guy very positive that Pi Wallet is our future bank account with our name KYC. When Uber Eats will take it domain, that's good. It's positive, and it's our prayers. We are all pioneers, and we tend to have a smart future in our projects. So I move to Idris. He says this. I also had more supply than all of them combined and still started off with a decent price. I will change the laws of crypto. I believe in him. He's in my mind. I can support him. They have pressed his post. Let's open and see. It won't happen in a day. Keep an eye on Pi network. This is what he said. Ever wondered where favorite cryptocurrency started? Yes, we covered this. Guys. Sorry. Let's move to another person right here so that we may know exactly what future holds for us. We have Alexander here. And check on Alexander 18 hours ago. He says Pi USDT is showing strength. After bouncing from 76 cents, it's now trading above the 200-day moving average on the 4-hour chart. RSI at 51 is creeping up, hinting at rising bullish momentum. A breakout above 77 cents could trigger a rally toward the 8-cent mark. Puma is now live for pre-market trading on VIX. I am getting in early before it's empowering instant. So again, you can see the project is promising, and I would request pioneers that we hold on. If you are getting to Pi Network right today, I would urge that you don't sell your coins. You better wait until the price gets to a good figure, then you sell. You can still join on Pi Network using my referral code, invitation code. I will share it on the description, and would request you subscribe to the channel, you hit the bell button, and we move together on this project. So right here, I would like to end this video, and we meet on the next video. So feel comfortable and updated from our channel. Next, I'll be making a video on analyzing the price markets using some very good indicators. Thank you and welcome again.